Say hi to my vlog.
I'm the best of the best.
Say hi to my vlog.
Uy, huwag mo ipupost yung vlog mo sa school.
Uy, wala pa talagang klase. Ako,
Ano oras pa lang?
ano oras pa lang?
Gagawin na talaga siya. Pa nagsasalita, tinututok niya na 7:01.
What is the time? Sino yan?
Yes, siya. Your friend mo, guys.
Mabibi siya sa camera.
Di ba after pa na rin si Sir Well?
Oo.
Paklay niya ang pizza.
Maliit lang yun.
12 inches lang. Na ruler? O protractor?
Yung ganun lang.
Protractor yun pa.
Tapos bamboo siya. Okay lang. Alam mo lahat binili ko na. Kasi hindi ko makalabas mo.
Ha?
Bakit ka?
Eh, kasi sabi niya mas ano daw yan. Tignan mo, binasa ko lang. Diyan ba yun o dito?
For better planet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
And there's a problem with Converge right now. That is why I went out. Parang mag-aral na lang. Kasi I also don't have signal at our house. Kaya here I am. Yeah. Sakit ng ulo ko. Sa research. Kaya to.
alam kung kailan ko i-upload ito. So, yan. Dami ko kasi kailangan asikasuhin.
graduating senior high school. Yeah, it's no joke. Mabuti guys. And I hope you guys are studying too. You don't have to work hard, but just study. Ano ba yun? I don't know kung insert ko pa ba yung mga details. Kanina nag-film ako sa school. Pero hindi ko siya pinilm. Nung morning lang ako nag-film kasi bawal mag-phone sa school. Tapos, pag class hours, bawal din mag-phone. Kahit na recess, you shouldn't use your phone. So, I couldn't film. Kasi pag nahuli nila ako nag-phone, kukunin nila yung phone ko. So, never mind. Hindi ko kayang i-risk yung phone ko kasi I needed my phone. Phone. As you can see, nasa Starbucks ako. Yun. And I feel sick right now. Like, sinisipon ako and I don't really feel well. So I got hot matcha latte. Pure matcha. And natapos ko na lahat ng gawain ko yesterday sa awa ng Diyos. But I still have to do some research. Wait, kailangan akong tapusin ng task sa research. But yeah. Medyo naging puffy na yung face ko. Kasi all I do is drink coffee. Araw na ako nakastay here sa Starbucks kasi we still don't have Wi-Fi. Kaya ayun. It's almost 7 p.m. and nakauwi na ako. Actually kanina pa, but then may inasikaso muna ako so I didn't get to film it. And this day is okay naman. Walang masyadong ganap kasi ginawa ko na siya yesterday. I just went out to do some works for school. And hindi ko na siya film kasi wala akong oras. I have to focus with the thing that I have to do. Kaya, ayun, hindi na lang ako nag-film. And kanina naisipan ko lang siya i-film para may clips ako na i-upload. Pero, yeah, as I said, last time, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko siya ma-upload. Kasi medyo busy. And, ayun na nga, I still don't have Wi-Fi. I don't know what's wrong with Converge. Grabe. Feeling ko nga mag-iisang linggo nang walang Wi-Fi. It's just ako. Kasi I have to go out pa para magkaroon ng signal. Kasi we don't have signal here in our area din. Kaya, kailangan ko lumabas para magkaroon ako ng signal with my data. It's so stressful, honestly. Pero yun na nga, thank God na natapos ko na rin lahat talaga ng mga task ko. Which is good. And pahinga-pahinga na lang. As you can hear, medyo barado yung ilong ko. And the way I talk. Kasi sinisipon talaga ako. And kahapon, medyo hindi maganda pakiramdam ko. Pero uminom na ako ng medicine kasi if not, baka nilalagnat ako ngayon. But yeah, yun na naman. Yun lang naman yung ganap for today or for tonight. So, I'm on my way. Nag-meet na ako
Panginoong Jesus, itinuro mo sa aming
Pangit mo, what the heck? Why would you say that? Why would you do that?
So we are now going home. And we're not eating. We ate at omakase. No. Oh yeah, we're going home now. And here's my sister. She's a bit weird. I know that.
Sunlight spills on the window. The aroma of coffee fills the air.
어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.